It's time to remove the complete instrument panel. The instruments, trim, everything. The whole thing's coming out. There's some work to do on the firewall where it's rotted through from the battery tray. And we want to just get in there and tidy up everything we can anyways when the car gets back from the body shop. So first thing, steering wheel. Surprise. I want to put the original steering wheel back in this. I think he's going to want to keep this one, but we'll see what happens. 24 millimeter. Missing screws underneath. Not good. And it's missing a screw here. None of these screws are original. Ears are broken. The connectors are still intact. And there we are. What a mess. Yuck. Okay, now. So for the climate control unit, these knobs come off, and that comes off fairly easy. It's broken here. Now the holes are broken out. Let's see if we can fix that. That's what's supposed to be part of the hole. There we go. You can see the whole column is tilted. I don't know why. They have a Scotch lock for something that's probably looks like instrument light color. Might be for the lighting. Let's see, what else do we have here? The glove box open. Doesn't work, so we made it work. Broken off. Somebody tried to glue it. We might be able to plastic weld that or get a new one, or a good used one. You see the clock is mangled. We can repair that with a repair kit. That. Come on. Sometimes you got to use tricks to get these screws out and in through the door of my long screwdriver to be able to get this one, because I don't have a screwdriver short enough to grab it. Should switch. Cigarette lighter and clock. Okay. All right. Let's clean up some of this stuff, and then we're going to have to remove the console. Console time. Let's see. Ashtray just lifts out. I'm keeping this money. Not sure what that is. Spare parts. Okay, fader was not used. Door locks, mirror control, sunroof. Can't read it. Can't read them. I forget. No biggie. Long screws everywhere. Hinge. This is supposed to be a hinged plastic frame, not a piano hinge. No screws on the sides are missing. Oh, the connectors are green. Irma. The moisture level in this car must have been so high. All the connectors are green and slimy. It's sticky. Yuck. Oh, jackpot. The original radio connector. That's good. And the aftermath. We're going to make that nice. These are the original ground and power wires to the radio. Okay, we're ready to take the instrument panel out. Didn't want to bore you with all the rusted screws and the mess we had to deal with getting all those screws out. We had to take the side panels off to get these screws out, one on each side, plus the one you saw me go through the door to get that screw out. There's a couple over here. One was missing on that side, so we got a lot of work to do with rounding up the correct hardware. This is the switch to reset the odometer. There's a button through the center piece here that pushes on that little button for the odometer reset, and then we have the light that lights up the little defroster symbol on the slider for the vent or defrost selection. So now this can come out. Hopefully we got everything. You see the big mess behind it. Okay, I don't have a lovely assistant to help me, so I'm on my own. All right, what do we have here? My crooked instrument steering column. So our instrument cluster wiring harness for the climate control, hazard switch. This is the heater, air conditioner matrix. More miscellaneous hardware. This little black box here is the antenna booster, signal booster. The antenna is a wire in the windshield, and that increases the signal strength to the radio. These originally were to the fader control in the instrument cluster, and these went, into the instrument console. These have been spliced because these have every speaker connection in the car that was originally there, and they just tapped into it. We're going to fix all that, make it nice. The next step will be to remove the heater matrix. and get everything off the firewall. We're going to have to leave the steering column in for now, because when we get it on the lift, we're going to get the transmission, torque tube, and the engine out. And then all the suspension, the steering rack will be removed. And we will get this ready for the body shop. The glass will come out. We'll take the headliner material out, sunroof, all the linkage, and the transmission for the sunroof. So that's it for this section. We'll be back when we're ready to do some more. That's it. Peace out.